As you can see, it's a pretty foggy night out. It's actually way more foggy than way it appears on camera right now. But as soon as we hit the road, you're about to see, I can't see nothing. Like no troll. The visibility is probably like 2 or 3 feet in front of me, tops. But this is the whip we'll be whipping for the POV drive, a 2019 C43 AMG. We'll not be going crazy or anything like that. It's a pretty foggy day and I'm still insured, so I will not be accelerating quickly at all. Little AMG on the ground, can't miss that. Lock that door. Gotta put on the seatbelt. Safety first, of course. Let's hit the block. Here's with the lights on. I'm in the parking lot. It's not that bad because there's hella lights everywhere. But just wait until I hit the road. Like you're about to see literally nothing besides a bunch of fog. Bruh, it looks like I'm driving into the abyss. Like I'm not even trolling you. I can't see nothing. Oh, there's a red light though. We can see the red light. W. Look, bro, you can't see anything. This is giving me like that Silent Hill 1 vibe from that one trend. When you're like, okay, let me go home. Got no car home and you just walk into the fog. But this time I'm driving into the fog. This is crazy. I'm not gonna hold you though. Whenever I'm driving under these warm colored lights, it's kind of giving me a vibe. Like a good vibe, you know? Like a chill, you know, Silent Hill vibe almost, like I said. And bro, watch what happens if I turn on my brights. Low-key on camera, it doesn't look as bad, but like, should I just look on my phone? Nah, I'm not gonna do that, that's dumb. But yo, on camera, it kind of like deletes some of the fog. Because in real life, it's a little bit more foggy. But you know, we're just gonna like chill, little cruise. You know, pouring from point B driving in the AMG. With the ambient light at night, you can finally see some ambient light since it's nighttime. Oh, dude, look at these lights. These lights are crazy. Some crazy lights right here. Like, this is remind me of like the old school Minecraft when you were like turn down your render distance on like the lowest setting. And you just be hella foggy and you can't see anything in front of you. That's essentially what I'm doing right now in real life. But like without my control, you know? I couldn't do that. I can't control that. I genuinely believe this is the most foggy POV drive out there on the internet. Like I was looking online to see if anyone else like drove during like an extremely foggy day and like made a POV drive. And me personally, I have not been able to find them. Like I saw one that was like a little foggy. Saw a couple that claimed to be a little foggy, but nothing like this. Nothing on the Silent Hill vibe. Like there's literally buildings right there you can't see. It's super close, you can't see because of the fog. Oh my god. No, there's cars driving. Please don't cut me off. Oh no, we're driving into this big empty road. But there's a state trooper up there. I saw him. So we're kind of cruising behind a state trooper. Hopefully he doesn't see us. I mean, I don't know why I'm saying that. Like, I'm literally doing nothing wrong. I'm cruising like an NPC. Oh my god. Let me switch lanes real quick, but dude, I can't see. I can't see nothing. I have nothing. Oh my god, the cops are around. Oh my, no. Oh, he didn't get behind me. He didn't get behind me. Nice, nice. Oh my god. But I say I'm not trying to get pulled over right now. I'm just trying to cruise. I'm actually going to another spot right now. I'm trying to record some more videos. At least one more video. Like a YouTube video talking about why I chose the C43 AMG over any other car. Because, you know, I cover bar like an M340 or an M3 or M4. My C63, you know, just get one a little bit older. Like, there's a lot of vehicles I could bar instead of this one. So I decided, like, it would make sense. You got his hazards on? Bruh, I know it's bad, but come on, you really need your hazards? You know, I'm not gonna judge because, like, you just don't know their situation. Like, what if it's, like, an older person who has, like, really bad eyesight and they generally can't see anything at all, you know? let them put on their hazards, let them feel a little safer. No need to judge. I kind of need to see though, like, bruh, can we turn up the visibility a little bit? And before anyone says anything about the check engine light, relax. It's just for a little evap leak. The little purge valve, something, some part that I think is relatively cheap to replace is causing that. It's not really causing too many real issues besides like a little weird sound from the engine bay that goes away if you like move the certain part a certain way. But listen, the car is fine, okay, for now. Inshallah, nothing goes wrong with this car. I've already dropped so much money into this car just to fix it. Not to mod at all. I have not dropped any money in modifications. Like, I mean, I guess I have a new grill, but like, I'm gonna be real. Of course, insurance paid for that. You know, I crashed. Insurance paid for the repair. I could not pay for that repair. The repair was insane. Like, I think it was in total like $14,000-$15,000 to repair the whole car, and it was just like the bumper, the hood, the headlights, like the whole front end. Yeah, it was messed up, and the crash bar, of course. But damn, that was a lot of money. That was a lot of money. Got a little semi with the hazards on. What's up, semi? Bro, there's a traffic light up there. I can't see it yet. I know it's there. Someone else with their hazards on. Like, bro, I hope you're starting to understand how foggy it truly is. Well, while we're waiting at the traffic light, you can see a little bit more where the ambient line flows through the center console and whatnot. Oh. This looks so menacing with the fog right here. If you want to see a POV drive before I was insured, when my stunt driver was driving my AMG on the freeway, watch this video on screen right now.